Hi, Mike from WikiPack here. I was reading the excellent 37 Signals blog the other day and saw this article about signing up in seconds and then what. He talks about he saw a sign up form on the web somewhere where they promoted the whole idea that the sign up process is very quick, but it didn't really explain what happens after that. I've been working on optimizing the sign up process for WikiPack for some time. It started out with this big complex form with all these fields you have to fill in, and the feedback I got from people was that it was too complex. So what I did was reduced it down to a simpler form that only asked for an email address and password. But then I still had people that would hit different parts of the sign up process after that and run into issues. For example, maybe they didn't want to grant full access to Dropbox to WikiPack, and it wasn't clear from the sign up page what was going to happen. I really like this design approach, the idea of sign up, and then this is what happens next. That's pretty cool. So what I've done with WikiPack, when you come along to the sign up page, you can choose a plan, either personal, which includes Dropbox sync, or light that doesn't have any Dropbox sync. I'll use the light plan for example purposes here. When you sign up, this is my interpretation of that. Here's the sign up form, here's where you are in the sign up process and what's going to happen next. But a couple of points that were not immediately apparent prior to this modification that I've made was, for example, when you put in your email address, let's just say test@gmail.com. What it does now that the sign up form is a lot simpler is it uses that email address you've entered and creates a subdomain for it. This is the subdomain over here. The subdomain is unique URL for your wiki, and it's taken from your email address. So if you have an email address like mine, for example, with a dot in it, it'll just extract the dot and use the words joined together for your subdomain. The other thing that wasn't immediately apparent was that the email address that you enter in the sign up form wasn't actually being used as your username. What it was doing was extracting the first part of the email and using that. What it does now is uses the full email address and tells you over here what your login username is going to be. So I'll go ahead and sign up. So this should be fairly clear. It's going to create an account at this address. It shows you what your login username is going to be, and it explains that you can change both of those things later once you've created your account and logged in. So the next step is going to be to activate your account. You get an email with an activation link. After that, you can log into your wiki and start customizing it. So I'll go ahead and sign up. I haven't really thought about this, bollocks. Okay, my activation code is hiding in a terminal window. How's this going to work? Not very elegantly. So I'll should have an activation code here somewhere. Okay, that wasn't ideal. Anywho. So here we are, activating our account. Let's just pretend I clicked an actual link in an actual email. That's going to ask me to log in. And what it will do is the first time you arrive on the login page, it's going to pre-populate the login username with the email address that you used. So there's no confusion there. All you have to do is type in your your password. Then you can log in. And there's your wiki. So now that you log in, it's prompting you to customize your wiki. So you can change those things, the name, the subdomain, the username, things like that. That's the wiki name. It's telling you can change it. So you can give it a customized name. You can change your login username. If you don't want to use your email, change it to something different. And that's it. You're ready to go. You can go in and you can start using your wiki. So I'm hoping that sign-up process is a lot easier for people to use, and credit due to 37 Signals for suggesting the idea with the sign up and this is what happens next idea. And thanks for watching.